Tapstitch Print on Demand review. I'm going to tell you if Tapstitch is a good print on demand platform or just not worth the risk. Tapstitch offers no order minimums, clean Shopify integration, and trendy apparel options. It's beginner friendly, and some users say the print quality is decent with solid packaging. But problems show up quick. Shipping delays are common, especially from China, and print quality can be inconsistent. Misaligned or faded designs are a real issue. Support is also mixed. Some get help fast, others hear nothing. Worst part, hidden shipping fees and custom costs can cost you margins. Users report earning only a few bucks from $60+ orders. So, here's the deal. Try Tapstitch if you're just testing small drops. Avoid it if you're scaling or need consistency.